So you signed up with us here at SmartEdge Picks. What should you expect next? Where are the picks going to get sent? I'm going to go through all of that right now, so listen up. First step you should take, go to your primary email. Ideally, it'll be in that inbox. If it isn't, it's okay. We got a couple options for you to check out. Go to your spam folder next. If it's not in the primary, go to your spam folder and check out there. If you do happen to find it in your spam folder, click this button up here, report not spam. That way it'll tell your email that this is a valid email and you'll get them reoccurring. Now, if you've tried both of those two options and you still can't find our emails, there's a third option. Click the promotions tab up here. We found that for especially Gmail users, it sometimes go to promotions tab. So click this up here. If it's in promotions, your final step will be click promotions. Click the email, click the three dots, click move and to primary, and you'll be all set and locked in.